Hey guys, this is Harshil and welcome back to the Creators channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your DJI Tello to any gaming controller. Right now I have a PS4 controller with me, but you can use any gaming controller which you have. So in order to connect your controller to your drone, you need to put it in share mode. So to put it in share mode, press this share button and the button in the middle at the same time. So a light will start flashing, that means it is in share mode. So now you need to get your device to connect, and in Bluetooth now, as you can see in other devices, it has shown DualShock 4 wireless controller. So I'll just click on it, and as you can see, it has shown connected, and the light should be solid now. So now go ahead and turn on your Tello, and once it's on, go to your Wi-Fi and wait for it to appear. So as you can see, it has shown. So I'll just click on it, and it will be connected. So now you need to go to your Tello. So as you can see, now it's connected. So now in the settings menu, you will see option Bluetooth controller settings. So just click on it. So it has two options. First is controller diagram, and then how to connect. So I just showed you how to connect. So you can click on this controller diagram, and then it will show you what are the keys, what all the keys do. So the normal sticks will make it go left, right, up and down, and then you have flips, take off and land, flips, take photo, record video, and many other things. So just make sure you go through it before flying, because it can go out of control. So now let's fly it. So now I have kept my Tello, and as you can see, this is the screen how I'll operate it. So I am not seeing any controls here because the Bluetooth controller is connected. So the app has taken that I'll fly it from the remote control. So I will just click record, and then from here the options, I will slide to take off, and now I will control it using my controller. So as you can see, I am controlling it using my controller now. Now to land, I have to press the R2 and X together. So as you can see, I press it, and now it has landed. So to take off also you can do this, R2 and triangle. So it has taken off, as you can see, and then again land. So that was my tutorial. If it helped you, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to show you how I record my videos, comment down below setup tour. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.